Hey friend, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are new. In tonight's video, I was going to say today, I have some quick laundry folding motivation for you. But when I started the video, I had my mic clipped onto my bra, and the mic actually fell off of the clip because it can slide off. Of course, now when I'm trying to slide it off, it's not sliding off, but it slides off. So I had clipped it to my bra so it wouldn't be showing on my clothes, and it fell off. So there's a bit of audio, but um you guys gonna have to strain to hear what I'm saying. So I just put some music over it and decided to do this little intro, and then I wanted to tell you what was going on in the video because it was funny and I didn't want to take it out and just get to the folding because it wasn't a lot of clothes, so the folding went through pretty quickly. So I started the video by saying, I'm modeling my little best mom ever outfit from the children's place, and I was saying how I got matching outfits for the baby and my boys, and I said I was gonna do a little photo shoot and whatnot. And so I started out by saying that, and then I don't know what I was saying about the clothes on the bed, but I was saying something, and then hubby came into the room and I turned to him and I said, I'm recording a video. And he said, for your OnlyFans? And I started to laugh and I said, I don't have no OnlyFans. And he said, but you're in here in short shorts. Anyhow, he said that he wanted to go to his bed, and I was like, can I fold the clothes? But he insisted that he wanted to go to bed. So I moved the clothes over to my side of the bed and set up the camera to only show the clothes. So that's enough yapping from me. Hope you enjoyed these little tips of laundry folding motivation, clothes folding motivation, whatever you call it. I am now sitting in bed watching some Netflix. So I hope you enjoy your Saturday night. It's Saturday night for me now, whatever night or any time of day that you're watching this. I hope it was a good one. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you watch the folding now. And that is it for this video, guys. If you made it this far, thank you so much for spending 9 minutes of your life with me. I hope you got some motivation to get a laundry related task done. And until next time, bye.